It's no surprise that Trump is jumping on the bandwagon to try to have Fani Willis dismissed from being DA and having his charges dropped. But even if she's disqualified, his charges won't be dropped. He will just the case will just be changed to a different district, and there would be a different person charging him.
It's in the Georgia election meddling case.
Former President Donald Trump joined a lawsuit to have Fulton County's top prosecutor disqualified and his charges dismissed. Atlanta News First Carly Barnett is live at the Fulton County Courthouse. And Carly, if this is successful, it could derail Georgia's election interference case.
Well, Sean, Blair, a lot of implications here tonight. We've been following all of these developments. Certainly, we have to keep in mind that the former president and the other co-defendant on this motion certainly have motivation for this case to go away, as they have been indicted here in Fulton County. But as we've learned, these claims do have the potential to muddy the waters. Former President Donald Trump's attorneys have joined a motion Thursday seeking for Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis to be disqualified and for his charges to be dismissed. Michael Roman, a former staffer of Trump and a co-defendant in the Georgia election interference case, filed the initial motion on January 8th. In it, he alleges an improper relationship between DA Willis and Special Prosecutor Nathan Wade. On the 9th, the former...
So far, though, the lawyer has admitted that they have no evidence, just sources that claims. So basically, it's just a baseless accusation. Supposedly, the wife has some bank records that prove something, but it's doubtful.
The president spoke about Willis and the Georgia indictment.
She was out of her mind. Now it turns out that that case is totally compromised.
Trump's lead counsel here in Georgia, Steve Sadow, issued a statement saying, quote, DA Willis violated her special responsibilities of a prosecutor under the Georgia Rules of Professional Conduct. Her attempt to foment racial animus and prejudice against the defendants in order to divert and deflect attention away from her alleged improprieties calls for the sanctions of dismissal and disqualification, end quote. Also on Thursday, Georgia Congresswoman Marjorie Taylor Greene said on social media platform X she filed a complaint with the Georgia Ethics Commission against Willis and Wade. Emory law professor John Acevedo spoke to the implications.
That's hilarious. Marjorie Taylor Greene filing for an ethics violation. This same person that claims Jewish people have a space laser and they use it to start forest fires and anti-Semitic Nazi.
Implications of these accusations.
It may taint the jury pool against the prosecution. There are ethic concerns that the state bar may open an investigation into.
While he believes it's mostly a PR tactic, it could result in the election case being pushed back.
If either the special prosecutor or Fani Willis herself are removed from the case, they would then have to bring in a new attorney to bring everyone up to speed, and that itself would probably cause several months of delay.
A judge scheduled a February 15th hearing.
Yeah, the charges aren't going to get dismissed. It's just going to be a new person coming in. It is either they know the charges aren't going to get dismissed and this is a delay tactic, or they're just really dumb and think they can get their charges dropped.
To address the relationship allegations.
District Attorney Willis has not responded directly to a supposed relationship with Wade. She has to respond to the judge in writing by February 2nd.